So yesterday, Saturday, I finished the shower. I've always had the tub okay, but the shower, this thing here, behind it is the closet, and it was spewing water into the closet. So the old system had two handles, one there and one there. One was hot and cold, and the other one was on off. So I had to redo that because it's not cold anymore. So I went to the one handle, which took way longer than I thought it was gonna. And then this other handle, there's the hole there that I just filled in and it's drying. I got this here. Whoops, is that upside down? No. A little soap dish. That'll go there. And let me show you the other side in the closet. Hold on here. Let's see here. What a pain in the butt. Okay, I don't know how good you're gonna see it, but there it is. All that I had to replace. All that. Pain in the butt. So, no leaks, which is good. And that part's done, thank goodness.